Hey guys, it's Crystal with Pure Photoshop Actions, and just really fast I wanted to show you how to use the Pure Fall ACR set with the spotlights, since it's a little different than the Lightroom version. With ACR, we're not able to have the spotlights manually show up, like automatically show up, so you're going to have to manually do them. And so we tried to make it self-explanatory, but I figured I would kind of throw out this video. So once you get the presets installed, you'll notice that some of them have the name Pure Fall with Spotlight 5, Pure Green, Spotlight 3 and 4, Pure Fall Spotlight 7, that kind of thing. That will tell you what spotlight to use, and I'll show you where to access those. You're going to install those the same way you do your brushes, and we have instructions with the download so you can follow those instructions. So once you get your presets installed and the spotlights installed, you're going to go ahead and click one. So I'll go ahead and click Greens 2, Spotlights 3 and 4. And that's what that does, just one click right there. And so I know that I need to use Spotlights 3 and 4. So what you want to do is you want to come up here to your radial filter. It's right next to this little list here. It just says radial filter. It's like a circle. So once you click that, you're going to want to make sure you click New. And then you're going to click this little button right here. It looks like it'll be a drop down. And just select the spotlight here that you want to use. So I'll go ahead and select 3 because I know I have to use 3 and 4. Now again with ACR, you're going to have to pay attention because unlike Lightroom, it automatically knows if we had saved it as inside or outside the circle, but for some reason ACR does not do that. So what you need to do is look at the exposure on all of these. If the exposure is negative, you want it to be on the outside. If the exposure is in the positive, you want it to be on the inside. So, because what we're trying to do with the negatives is lower the exposure around them, with the positives, brighten the exposure on them. So once I know it's on the negative, it's negative, I want it to click outside, I'll just go ahead and drag the circle. As you hold down your mouse, it'll get bigger, and you can also change the shape however you want to fit your subjects best. So I'll click that, and then I can drag it over here. So what it's doing is it's lowering the exposure around them. So I'll go ahead and click that, and then if you come over here, you'll see you can switch the shape like that. Okay, so then I'll click New because I know that I needed to do number 4 also. Now if you don't click New and you just come up here and change the 4, it'll change this current spotlight to 4. So you're going to need to make sure you click New. Then I'll come and choose Spotlight 4, and this is positive, so I know that it's going to brighten the exposure on them. So I want to make sure it says inside. And then again, I will come in here and do that. And with these, obviously, if it's too strong, you can, or not strong enough, you can raise it or lower it. If you feel like, based off of what the preset did to the way your picture already was, you need to make it lower, you can actually do that too. So whatever you want it to do. So, and then once you're done, just click over here and you can click any of these tools, and then you can see the before and after. So that right there is a quick before and after. And I probably would just lower the exposure just a little bit more. But really, like, that is for pretty much just a couple clicks, you've got yourself a fall image. So if you have any other questions, let us know. Sorry that it's not so one-clicky like Lightroom is, but we figured out a way to make this work. So once you get the hang of it, it'll be super easy. So thanks for watching the video. Bye.